G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be looking at the VX Commodore. Had some rats moved in some months ago and I don't know if it's going to start now, but I'm going to find out. Let's go have a look. So this was a daily runner of mine for a few years until I got the Pajero. So it's been sitting here parked up for, I don't know, 3 years. I'm the third owner. It was my parents' car. They were the second owners. As you can see, well, you probably can't see the tarp over it, but that's where my furry friend was sitting. That was his seat. It's very disgusting. I'm not going to show you anymore. The car overall, the outside needs a fresh up. Inside isn't too bad, except the old roof lining where I did the old super glue stick it up, and that's been held up for probably 5 years, so I didn't have to pull that out. This seat's like they all do. The old boy was a pretty big dude in his day when he had it, and no, I'm not blaming him, but yeah, that's a bit wrecked, as they all do. I haven't bothered to fix it. I lost the handle over there. It's got, I think it had about 220,000 on it, something like that from memory. So this is a VX 2001 model. So in the back, it's all original still. Got the tarp over it, sorry, so the lighting's not really great. So everything except the driver's seat's pretty good condition. It's got a few small dents in it. It's got a bit of a dent here, and this front guard's probably the worst. It's got that dent at the front. What else? I did that with mowing, popped the lens off. So I'll undo this. I'll go set the camera up and we can have a bit of a look. Bring this in for a closer look. If I had smell a cam, yeah, so the rat's been back in again. I've got rat bait in here, so they've been back in, but down in there, massive big nest. That was just big nest down in there, and all the way into the back was a big nest. Yeah, so I'm hoping they haven't got into the bloody wiring and stuffed it. So I'll go grab a battery and see if we can fire it up. Yeah, bit of luck. So I'll go grab that battery. Oh, there goes a rat now. Bastards. Alright, I'll go grab a battery and whack that in. Okay. That's a idiot. Let me know in the comments, guys, are you supposed to put positive on first or the negative on first? put this nut here on this side. Get access to the rear. Snug, that's snug. Put that over there. And I haven't disconnected anything. I parked it, shut it down, and it's been in this state. So go turn the key on, that find a key. So that's a good thing. They got power. Fans going. That's what she's going to crank. That's over. Well, that's good. I just let the oils and that warm up before I give it a bit more. That's a dog bone. Dozer, did you lose your bone, mate? Bloody hell. Wonder where that got to. So I'll wait and see that the thermo fans come on. Oh, we got a cockroach. Disturbed him. Yeah, those horrible German ones you can't get rid of. Being hidden in there in the alternator. Mongrel things. So these are the other types of rat and mice baits. They're like a waxy. You can leave them out in the weather, so to speak, but I don't, because the dog might get them, or some birds. But hidden in here, it's fair game for the rodents. You reckon 100,000? A&W filter. That was the main thing I wanted to know, is if we were going to go on the bonus. Yeah, so that's the original kilometres. See through the steering wheel there. I think it's 234,000. Yeah, that horrible sound. Alright. Still lives. Clear cake's all gone on top, as they all do. Went some time ago. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Just going to make this a short one, yeah. So thanks for watching on the startup of this VX. I haven't over 3 years thereabouts. Yeah, it's still sitting here now smelling the rats, and it's not good. So stick around. I've got VT SS Commodore. It's been sitting in the yard for, I do not know. It must be 6 years now. I'll do a bit of a talk and a run through, see if that's even going to fire up. Problems with that when we're trying to get it going, when I bought it first. And I've got a VY, you might have seen, if anyone's seen an older video when I resprayed it with like, what was it? I'm trying to think, it was marine paint from the hardware store, from Cairns Hardware. So it was like around $100 of paint for 4 litres. That was like the doors closed except the boot. I managed to spray that outside. Yeah, so I've got, I can't think of his name at the moment, a mobile sparker that comes around. He's slowly working his own business, so I'm helping him out by giving him some work, which is good for me as well, and he's really good. He might be on the next episode when I try and get him back to start the VY. We've got a fuel problem, whether it's a pump or hopefully it's just under the engine, something electronic, and once again the rats are really bad as well. So yeah, stick around if you like this, guys. Haven't got to the HZ 1 tonner, haven't got to that, more about that, or my Pajero, but it's just a phase of me running my own full-time business. I'm just a part-time YouTuber. There's a cost of it, I think, as well as the time to do these things. So if you're interested, yeah, click the bell, subscribe, like, comment, share, all those things if you want. I'm extremely close to 1,000 subscribers, so that's a big achievement. I'm not seeing videos in part. I started this channel about 10 years ago, so a lot of YouTubers get 1,000 subscribers in, you know, it could be weeks or months, but 10 years, yeah, it's been a long slog. Anyway, I've got I hope that's not rat poo. So I'll see you next time guys. Thanks for watching.